Okay, here we go. Some Jarkko Ahola. I've done a few of his already. This is a Patreon request, and we've got 5. So be ready, guys. If you're a Jarkko or Ahola fan, it's his birthday. So one of my Patreons has said, Ryan, I want you to do these songs for his birthday. So Jarkko, this is for you. And this is for you, Eco Warrior Princess. So thank you for your pledge on Patreon. And here we go, as promised, for his birthday. This is kind of weird. Right now, officially, of this recording time, this is irrelevant, but it's not his birthday. It's going to be his birthday at my time in about 3 hours. But in Finland time, it's already his birthday. So here we go. This song is called, I don't know how to pronounce this. Ikävä? I don't know. Here we go. Jarkko! Oh, he's 42 now. Or 43?
Ikävä ollut, jotain jota eikä olekaan. Onko sulla koskaan ikävä tullut, vaikka tiedä mitä edes kaipaatkaan? Niin kuin pieni satu, johon lapsena uskoit, menettää nyt hahteen on kokonaan. Tai niin kuin kaunis maisema, jota ei koskaan ole olemassakaan. Ootko oma elämäsi ikävöinyt, joka ohi kulkee, et huomaakaan? Päiviä lyhyitä tai pitkiä jossa, et koskaan ole saanut otettakaan. Minulla on suunnaton ikävä sinne, mistä en koskaan oo kuullutkaan. Minä olen kauan jo sinua kaivannut, sinua ei varmasti olekaan. Minulla on ikävä, minulla on suunnaton ikävä. Minulla on suunnaton ikävää. Tunsitko sä joskus tulisen hetken ja sanoit, nyt aloitetaan uudestaan? Huomasitko sitten sen elämäsi hetken, kohta jo menojaan? Sinulla on suunnaton ikävä sinne, mistä et koskaan oo kuullutkaan. Sinä olet kauan jo minua kaivannut, minua ei varmasti olekaan. Minulla on ikävä, sinulla on suunnaton ikävä. Sinulla on ikävä, sinulla on suunnaton ikävä.
So that's interesting. I don't know where he's playing. It's like a lot of older folk in the crowd or whatever. That's fine. There's some younger people there, and they're tapping their feet. So they were reacting too. They were like, "Yeah, this is good. This is good." I mean, this guy's very talented. I mean, obviously, he's not. I mean, I'm not saying anything bad here. He's just not the international mega superstar, but that doesn't take away anything from his talents. I mean, it depends on the video. I know some of his videos have like tens of thousands of views. But the guy can sing. Jarkko, you can sing. You're very talented. You've got that rock star persona. And I think he's turning 43. I think he's turning 43. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a big collection. So like Eco Warrior Princess, I hope you're okay. What we're gonna do we're gonna do like one big collection of all of his songs that you've requested in one video. Okay, we're just gonna pound through them in a good way, and we're just gonna make a birthday bash bundle of the requests that you have. So this is the first one, and we'll just pause it. All right, so like I was saying, some of his videos have tens of thousands. Well, this one here is 106,000, almost 107,000 views. So this is a song called, well, I think she wanted me to, wait a minute, this isn't Jarkko, but this is from, this is from you, Eco Warrior Princess. Oh, oops, I messed up, Eco. This is in the same email. Okay, so wait, we'll get back to that one. What we'll do is real quick, on the fly, because, I'm already recording. Here we go. My bad, that was from a different one that you sent.
Oh my.
Okay, so here's one that has 17,000 views. It's from an album called Hurricane. And, the song's called Hurricane. And it's going to be Ahola's debut album, Stoneface. Okay, so this came out a few years ago, about 8 years ago. So this was the single Hurricane from that. So here we go. Song number 2 from Jarkko for his birthday, for you, Eco Warrior Princess. Here we go. Sorry for the flub there. My apologies.
Days grew darker and longer. I felt nothing. In time, fortune made me stronger. But not for this. My breath ran dry. Forgot to play the masquerade. I used to collide. The world I knew prepared to burst in flames. Wow! It did not show the signs until it was too late to feel the change in the air. You came this way in the dead of night. The tide is rising higher. All else bow before your might. But I'm something your kind hurricane. Never dared to dream I'd meet someone like you. I know in the end it's me against only with you.
Nice rocker.
You are the flame, burning bridges burning. They shall light my way to another day.
Nice.
There goes my soul, taking my storm. Burning bridges burning. Who stays, who must leave? Or do we become one? There is a calm in your eye that no one can see. The strength that you cannot hide makes them flee.
Nice. Nice. That was awesome. That was a really good rocker. Jarkko. I like it when you do the those rock. I mean, the other song you did was nice and soft and melodic and all this, but boy, you can rock it when you do so. Excuse me. When you do so, you do. That's amazing. I like that. That's a great opening track for a debut album. So that came out 7 years ago. I suspect some of the other songs that have been requested to do might be from different times. I'm not sure. So Eco Warrior Princess, I hope you don't mind that I'm doing it this way, but it kind of keeps the Jarkko theme going. So that was track number 2 that we're going to cover. I think it's 4 or 5 that we're doing. Yeah, that was awesome. That was a good rocker. The guitar solo was awesome. Driving rhythm. And the guy can sing, man. That's the thing about this guy. He can sing. Ahola. Jarkko Ahola. I like it. All right, let's pause it again. Okay, so sorry, I'm just reading her email to me. This is okay. So this is Terrace Bottoni. Okay, this is this is the name of the song. My apologies. The name of the song, and I guess the band. His name is Metallisydän, or the other way around. I'm so sorry. I can't pronounce this stuff. But she said here this is an original studio with English subs, and you've heard the new symphonic, but this is the original, composed by Jarkko, and the vocals are by him. Okay, so let's go back to that. So the vocals are by him, and I guess we have some English subtitles. I see. Okay, here we go. My apologies, Eco. Here we go, song number 3 by Jarkko. So make sure I'm recording.
On nyt laskeutunut.
I see. Okay.
Sammunut on tuli viimeinenkin. Sydän yönä aika tullut on. Käydä yksin taistoon.
The guy can sing. Ratta, ratta.
Et luovuttaa saa, sillä rinnassasi hakkaa.
Saucy heart.
Sydän metallinen. Katson tähti taivaalle. Puhun kaatuneille sankareille. Veljät!
Yeah, that's awesome.
Tule luoksenne! Mutta moni vielä kuolee vuoksenne! Kun yksin oot, eikä toivoa näy. Oot voimaton ja raskas taakka käy.
Metallisydän. Metal Heart. Okay. Metal Heart. This is a great one. Good. I like this. Nice. Awesome solo. Metallisydän. I like that one a lot. Metallisydän. Metallisydän. Metal Heart. Metallisydän. Look at that, I'm learning Finnish. Is that what I'm learning? Hey, I have a Metallisydän. Alright. That's awesome. I love it. I love it. Okay, good stuff. The birthday bash continues for Jarkko, who's turning 43, or has turned 43 by the time of this release. Happy birthday to you, Jarkko, and thank you so much, Eco. Let's continue with this. Maybe I don't have to pause it. Maybe we can just keep going here. Well, actually, no, we'll pause it just so we don't screw things up more than we already are. Boy, I breathed in just as I was about to talk. Okay, so this next request from Eco Warrior Princess is the song Nuku, Vaan. So this is from his album Ulan Klassikko 2. This is from 2014's release. Let's check it out. Obviously, this is. I went to bring up the lyrics. There's no lyrics. Well, if there is, they're not English. But here we go. Nuku, Vaan. This should be interesting.
Pitkän matkan raskaan jälkeen saavun kodin hämärään. Vaan hiljaisuus ei anna rauhaa levottomaan sisimpään. Nuku vaan, en halua herättää. Vain päätä silittää. Kaukaa kauas vie mun kulku, kaipuu kaiken kehystää. Kun saan unta illan jälkeen Siis nuku vaan, en halua herättää. Nuku vaan, vain päätä silittää. Nuku vaan, läsnäolosi tunnen kauttaaltaan. Se sisälläni soi, nuku vaan, kun rauhoittaa. Matkaaja ei voi, nuku vaan, nuku vaan, nuku vaan. Siis nuku vaan, en halua herättää. Nuku vaan, vain päätä silittää. Nuku vaan, läsnäolosi tunnen kauttaaltaan. Se sisälläni soi, nuku vaan, kun rauhoittaa. Matkaaja ei voi.
All right. The guy can sing, man. I like him. I like him. He's a character. And he can sing. He's quite the artist. Oh, my wife's calling. I've got to pause this. Be right back. All right. Sorry about that. The wife called my cell phone when I was doing this, and there was a bug in the bedroom that I had to get. Not for her, but for our daughter. So, okay. So here we go. The last song of the birthday bath. Everyone's having a birthday bath with Jarkko. For his birthday bath. Okay, it's getting late for me. His birthday bash celebration. This is the last request from Eco Warrior Princess. This song is called Terras Batani. I don't know. Look, I can't. What is it with your Finnish language? English is so much easier, isn't it? Okay. She says here that this is an original hit, that everyone in Finland knows the song by heart. So this is Jarkko's heavy metal band. I listened to one of these earlier, but the video got blocked. So if it gets blocked again, I guess you're going to have to come to my Patreon site to find the link. Hopefully it doesn't. It says the audio isn't perfect, but the video itself is legendary. Okay, well, happy birthday, Jarkko. Here we go. Last song of the evening. Where'd it go? Here. Okay, let's go. It's okay if the sound's not that great.
Seuraava kappale on meidän osalta viimeinen, mutta varmasti sitäkin tiedetympi. Biisin nimi on
That's not bad audio.
katseet ylös luokaa, veljet. Meidän edessämme vahvinkin on voimaton. Aika pysähtyy ja siirtyy vuodet paikaltaan. Me emme järky, vaikka tulta satais päälle maan. Heikoille voi olla liikaa kutsu metalliin, mutta ei. Taivas lyö tulta yläpuolella, me kaikuu kallioilla ääni totuuden. Verivalon aika on aina suojanamme, tuo merkki metallisen väljyyden. sinäkin aina meidät huomataan. Kunnia ja voima saavat meihin uskomaan. Tulipana seuraa joukkuamme mahtavaa. On luontopuolellamme tukemassa sanomaa. Heikolle voi olla luulla kutsu metalliin, mutta ei. Taivas lyö tulta, yläpuolella kaikuu kallioilla äänitotuuden. Eri taika on aina suojamme, merkki metallisen väljäinen. Teidän vuoro! Taivas! Taivas lyö tulta, yläpuolellamme kaikuu kallioilla äänitotuuden. Meidän taika on aina suojanamme, tuo merkki metallisen väljäneen. Taivas lyö tulta, yläpuolellamme kaikuu kallioilla äänitotuuden. Meidän taika on aina suojanamme, tuo merkki metallisen väljäneen. Taivas lyö tulta. Taivas lyö tulta. Taivas lyö tulta. Yläpuolellamme kaikuu kallioilla äänitotuuden. Velipahan taika on aina suojanamme, tuo merkki metallisen väljyyden.
All right.
Kiitos! Kiitos!
One thing I noticed, and I've said this before, the Finnish females are very attractive. You know, this is the thing about Jarkko. Like, he's obviously got a lot. Like, here he is in 2006. He's got a metal band, and I don't know what the story is about this guy. He seems like such an anomaly because he's obviously talented. He's playing the bass guitar there. He plays acoustic guitar, electric guitar. The guy can sing like he puts. I mean, the guy can put Dio to shame. Honestly, when it comes to singing ability, this guy can sing live, like bang on. He's 43 now. Happy birthday! But I feel like he should be bigger than what he is. You know, like maybe he's. And I like his other stuff. His soul stuff is pretty good. You know, it's pretty good. But I like the metal stuff better. Like his voice with this metal sound is like the perfect combination for me personally. I love the metal. I love the rock and roll, the metal, the crunchy guitar with that type of singing. To me, it's the perfect, like the Dio, you know, with Sabbath or Rainbow. You know, it's that type of that power vocal with the metal sound. I wish he would do more of that. I don't know if that's something he still focuses on, or did he go away from it, and what's the reasons? Because we saw the first video, he's playing in front of, you know, people, a bunch of older people, and they were just like, you know, and then you see this video here where there's thousands of people in the crowd. I know it's a festival, but they're still banging their heads and having a good time with the song. So, yeah, maybe help me out, Eco Warrior Princess. What's this guy's deal? I feel like he's not tapping into the talent. Is his star fading? I hate to say that, because look at this in 2006. This was 14 years ago, but now, you know, he's singing at a buffet. You know, I just, he deserves more. He deserves what this video is. He deserves that kind of crowd, because the guy can sing. He should be bigger than what he is. I've reacted to a lot of different songs, a lot of different artists, and Jarkko is in no way near the bottom of talent, is what I'm saying. So, yeah. Anyways, thank you, Eco, for the Patreon, for the song suggestions, for your pledges, your requests, and Jarkko, again. I know you're not watching this video, but you're very talented. You're an incredible singer. I wish you all the success in this new year of your life. Enjoy your birthday. From Canada to Finland, I bid you adieu.